So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and in this video we're going to talk about the Arcade Facilitator Cohort 2, which will be starting soon. Basically on 4th of August the event will be starting, and here are the key insights, some important tips and tricks before the program starts. So first of all, if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's get started. So let me give you a quick overview regarding the Arcade Facilitator program. So basically the Arcade Facilitator program is a no-cost gaming event where you learn about cloud computing, application deployment, and big data and many more things. Apart from these, you earn exciting digital badges which you can showcase on your resume, and apart from these points help you to earn cool Google Cloud prizes. So basically it is a free of cost event for college student, working professionals, anyone. There is no upper age limit barrier. Yes, to be participate in this program you need to be at least 18 years of age in India, and if you are from any other country, depending on your legal age, you need to have a minimum age criteria, but for the upper age limit there is no criteria. So suppose you have 80 years, so even if you are of 80 years of age you can take part. So here is the program details, and first of all the registration form will be live on 4th of August, and I will be sharing the details step by step guide how you have to fill the form and what are the criteria. So we'll cover all things step by step. Here we'll be getting some referral codes, which if you want to participate under me, I will share the referral code in the description of that form link URL video only. So you have to just fill that form and enter that code, and you'll be enrolled under me. If you miss this thing, then you may be enrolled into any random facilitator and you may be in trouble, because all the your progress and reports and even prizes, you may not get the prizes. Like if you enter anything mistake, basically if you enter anything wrong in the form or anything wrong while registration, or you forgot to subscribe, you won't be able to get the prizes. So we'll be guiding, if you join under me, we'll be guiding you throughout your journey. So now this is about the registration program and why you should enroll. I have already shared that you'll be getting some cool badges and cool skills and these cool swags. So here basically we'll cover step by step. So now we'll cover about the enrollment thing. So when the enrollment form will be out, as I said earlier, I will make a step-by-step video, but here you need to take care of it before the program starts, because you have to just make sure you are ready with these things. So first of all, you need to make sure you have created a quick Cloud Skills Boost account. So what is a Cloud Skills Boost account? Basically it is a Quick Labs account, if you are familiar with the Quick Labs platform, where we will be doing the labs. So how to create account, let me show you a basic detail. So I will share the Cloud Skills Boost URL link in the description box of this video. You have to just click on it. Let me show you. First of all, let the page to fully open. So here you can see these are the arcade games which we have to complete. But for completing it, we need a Cloud Skills Boost account. So this is a Cloud Skills Boost account. Now here, if you are new to this program, you have to just click on this join button. Now once you have click on this join, you can see you have to enter your details. Make sure to enter your real name and real last name, real email, and while entering this email, okay, whatever email you are entering here, you have to use the same email for registration and for subscription to Arcade also. So make sure the email which you are entering is active and will be throughout the journey. Otherwise, by any chance it gets deleted or you forgot the password or you are unable to recover it, there won't be any extension. So make sure to check this out. Now if you have already an account, just click on sign in. Oh yes, the main thing is that can we use, many of you have asked, can we use previous account? So let me clear it. If you have previously participated in the cohort 1, then you are not eligible to be participated in this cohort. Basically using the same email ID you cannot participate, same email ID and same Cloud Skills Boost account. And if you have different, basically suppose if you have not participated in the cohort 1, or if you have participated only in the arcade program or you were not aware about this event, then you can participate in the facilitator cohort 2. But if you have not participated any time, sorry, if you have participated in the cohort 1 also and on all the skill batches, then you need to create a new account. Let me simplify it. If you have participated in cohort 1, then you have to create a new account for Gmail and Cloud Skills Boost. And if you have participated, if you have not participated in the program, still you have completed 30 to 45 skill badges, then you should first of all recreate your new account. How to create a new account I have already shown, and here you have to just, after this, once you have created the account, go to the settings option and just scroll down, and here you can see public profile. You have to just click on this checkbox, this checkbox, and this checkbox. Once you have click on this, you have to just click on the update settings. Now your public profile will be visible. Now during form filling, when the Arcade Facilitator program will start, you have to enter this public profile URL, and the form, when the form will be live, there will be traffic. So what you need to do, you need to just share the public profile. So just you need to recreate, sorry, as the form there will be more traffic, so you need to make sure you have ready-made all these things, because you should have the public profile beforehand, before the event starts, so that you can just paste it when the form will be live. So you have to make it public. If you want a detailed guide how to start from how to create the account and start, you can just watch this video. Let me show you. Yes, zero to hero. You can watch this, how you have to create the account, how you have to make your public profile public, how you have to subscribe to the arcade, and all things are covered over here. Let me once again, first of all, let me clear this one, then I will show you the playlist, what is available in the playlist also. Now after you have made your public profile public, you have to just click on the subscribe here. You need to subscribe it, because if you miss the subscription thing, you won't be eligible for the prizes. So here basically you have to enter your email, the same email which is linked to this Cloud Skills Boost, and then click on next and just submit it. You'll get a copy of same form what you have filled, and you'll be receiving Arcade Insider email. So you have to just subscribe it and click on submit like this. Now here you will get a copy of this similar email, basically the form you'll get in the email, and after next month you'll be getting the insider email. So make sure to check that out. Now here we are done with this part. So basically we are done with this part. Now when the enrollment form will arrive here, basically what will happen in the enrollment, it will ask your basic details like your name and age, email, and your whether you are graduated or not, and there it will ask that do you want to become do you want to join any facilitator. So you have to just click on yes and share the referral code which I have shared in the description box. I'll share in that video also, but do check it out. Why wait for the event to first fully start, then you will share the code. So you have to just enter it and just submit it. I will make a video guide, no need to worry about it. Now this is the basic form information which we have covered. Now let's move to the playlist. So basically this is the your playlist guide for the complete cohort will be there for the Arcade Facilitator program. So this video I shared about how to create the account and how to subscribe the arcade. Now here it is about the how to calculate the arcade points step by step, but this time they have updated the criteria, but the criteria will be similar for the arcade program. It is, I will update for the Arcade Facilitator point system also, no need to worry. Now here if you want to know the points expire or not, you can watch it, and here you can get 10 laps for 10 skill badges. Now do not do this now, you have to do later on. You will do this by doing 10 laps only, you will get the entire badge. So here is complete solution. And if you want to understand the lap limit, so here how to understand the lap limit, you can watch it. Basically we have 15 laps per limit. And another thing is that how to make your Cloud Skills Boost public, which I have covered in this video separately. If you want, you can watch it. Now here are some important things like complete info regarding the season 2, you can watch it also, and what are the do's and don'ts. Now another thing is that when the enrollment form will start, it will take 24 to 48 hours to reach you. Once you fill the form, you won't get the email instantly, so you need to make sure to wait for 24 to 48 hours. You'll get an email. Make sure to save this email address as your contacts, just like you save any number. So here basically they have mentioned you have to enter the referral code. If you have not entered, then you will be assigned to any random, and maybe chances are there he or she may not be helping you and you may be in trouble. So many people last time commented that my facilitator is not responding, etc. So this time do join me, I'll be there to help you. Now here make sure to take care of it. Now here once the event starts, all guides will be there. Now let's have a quick look on the point system. So basically this time also there is milestone system. So when you complete any 6 game, 5 trivia games, first 14 skill badges, and any 6 lab free courses, So what is lab free courses? So basically lab free courses, unlike the labs, there will be some quizzes and modules. You can read the documents, videos and quizzes when there is a lab limit. They have already mentioned when there is a lab limit, you can read the lab free courses. So you have to complete 6 arcade games, 5 trivia games and 14 skill badges and any 6 provided lab free courses. So if you do this, you will be getting 2 bonus points. So total, by doing this only, you will get 18 arcade points and 2 bonus points will be separately added. Now suppose if you have completed milestone 1 and milestone 2 and you have reached in milestone 3, like you have completed these 10 arcade games and 7 trivia games and 38 skill badges, and you have reached this milestone lab free courses. Okay, so now here if you have completed all these things, you'll be getting 36 arcade points for all these things and 15 bonus points. Now many of you have doubt that if I have reached milestone 3, will I get these two also, that is milestone 1 2 bonus point or milestone 2 8 bonus points. So the answer is simple, no. You'll be getting only the milestone in which you are standing. Like if you are in milestone 3 or 4, it will be depending on it. So if you are in 4, you will get only 25, and if you are in 3, you will be getting only 15 bonus point. So this is about it. Now here you need to take care of the terms. So what are the terms? Like here they have mentioned any 8 arcade games, any skill badges, okay, any 10 arcade games, 6 trivia games and 28 skill badges. So they are merged. Basically you can complete any arcade games within the 2-month cohort and any 6 trivia games within the cohort and any 28 skill badges. But here is the catch, any 12 provided lab free courses. So for the lab free courses, you have to do only the courses which are mentioned on the syllabus. So here is the syllabus. If you do any other like any generative AI quizzes, etc., so you won't get the points if you do any from the catalog. So you need to take care of it. So you have to just complete all these lab free courses mentioned over here. So do not complete any other lab free courses, otherwise you may face some kind of issues. And here are complete things. Now here they have not mentioned the skill badges, 45 skill badges. So how will find the skill badges? Basically I will share all the resources link in the description. You can just watch it. Let me show you first of all. So let's open this video. Basically on all video I have shared the skill badge link. So you have to just come over here and just wait for a few seconds. Okay, so let me just click on the more, and here you can see here is complete resource set. So here for the pre-assessment sheet you have to just click on it, and if you want to complete skill badges you have to click on it. And one more thing, I think, where is that, lab free courses was also there. So here is the lab free courses playlist, I think. So I will update the sheet also, don't need to worry. I think I have updated the sheet also. So here you can see all the lab free courses are already available. If you want, you can complete it. Now regarding the sheet, you can see here all the pre-assessment skill badges, lab free courses and all. They have mentioned 45 skill badges are present here, but you have to complete for, if you want to reach the ultimate, basically the top tier. So what is the top tier? We have to do 52 skill badges. Now here more than 50 plus skill badges are here, you can see, and some have bugs, some are coming soon. No need to worry about it, all videos will be live. If you face any issue in this lab, you can comment down below, I'll make updated video on it. Now here all things are available. Now regarding the pre-assessment badge also, all things are available here. You can just watch it accordingly and just complete it. Now once you have completed all these things, better, the recommendation from us is that you should first of all complete the, basically what you should do, you should complete all the trivia and arcade games, then complete the skill badges, because some of the labs are common and you get the badge with less effort. So I'll recommend try to complete all the trivia games and skill badges. For trivia games and trivia games and arcade games you have to complete, and you'll be getting the points for it. Okay, so basically you have to just complete the arcade games and trivia games first and then complete the skill badges once you are done with that month game. So this is about the main thing which we wanted to convey you. And regarding all the syllabus and journey, all things will be covered in the next video. Make sure to watch it. And if you have any queries, you can comment down below. So that's all about this video. I hope you are liking this video. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.